Do you need a mentor in forex trading? In any trading, from the stocks, on the crypto, on any market? It is a question that is very important to ask yourself when you start trading, and I would like to give you my opinion about having a mentor in your trading journey. Now, it depends on which type of a journey you are currently at which stage you are. Are you a complete beginner, or you understand the basics for those basics, and then you need to some person who can show you a little bit more details, which is valuable information on the trading or strategy, or using the tool, or just simply asking questions about the opinion. Having a forex mentor is very valuable, and it is also something I would like to advise to a trader who starts trading to learn how to trade. I would advise him to learn from someone who has experience, and that person should not be profitable. It's not very important to learn the basics, but to learn a strategy that will be profitable, it would be very good to have someone who is profitable and who can show you certain rules and steps you need to follow in trading. Here I have prepared an article I have written. You do not have a trading mentor, you're wasting your time. Is that correct or not? And I will give you my opinion about this topic. On the right side you have here a chart on the gold to US dollar on the 4-hour time frame I have open, just to explain some of the basics that the mentor could show you, which is very important. Maybe at the start of your trading journey you will not understand completely, so it will be very helpful. Now, a trading mentor, you can see that into two types. I have divided that where I'm defining different knowledge or approach to the mentor use. First one, who trades successfully for a living. And the second one is the trader who knows how to trade, but his approach to teaching someone is different. He teaches everything you need to have for trading, all the tools you need to use while using Trading Station. Now, which trading mentor you should use? Well, that depends on you and also your desire and also your preferences. At the beginning, complete beginner. If you're a complete beginner, you have not learned how to use technical tools with, for example, a trading platform, MetaTrader 4. It would be very nice to use any of the traders who knows how to use MetaTrader 4. If he uses a MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5 for his trading, for opening and orders, he would be very good mentor at the start. Now, why it is important to have a mentor at the beginning? I will explain to you. I still remember when I have started to use MetaTrader 4. I have entered into forex trading simply by looking into internet. I have found and I have stumbled on one ad that has shown that you can trade on the internet, available 24 hours per day. You're not obligated to invest your money, for example, like into stock, and wait days, months, weeks, years just to make some kind of money. You could enter the trade today and you could make lots of money on the specific day. This was the ad that has brought me into trading, so I have started to learn about trading, and then I have stumbled that I need to download MetaTrader 4. When I have downloaded MetaTrader 4, you understand how that looks. For example, if you open this one chart window, you get this one. I did not understand at all. What is this? What is this window? What is this window? How to use this one? And specifically these tools. I could not get around myself how to trade, how to use this one. And then I have, for example, I have opened this window and I've seen this chart here. I didn't know what to do. I have simply clicked the sell and buy by market. These buttons are simply clicking, and below this one, I have seen that there is something happening. And step by step, I have learned how to use this one by watching what is happening. And as I have moved forward, as I have progressed, I have learned how to use MetaTrader 4. And this took a lot of time. Now, why I'm saying it's very good to use any trader, because he would show you how to use properly these windows, what this window have, what kind of options is possible here, what is this one, how to use this one, and how to use the chart with these tools here. This will help me tremendously, and it will help you at the start of your trading journey. That's why it's very important to have someone who will show you how to use this tool, and you will save, I think, month or two just by learning from that person. Because if you would learn from yourself, you will waste lots of time just reading on the internet, find the correct information, correct a video that will show you step by step how to use this trading platform. So this is why it's very useful to have a trading mentor at the beginning. I think there are lots of mentors who will show you or point you in the right direction on the specific video that will explain to you how to use this one. So having a mentor will save your time at the beginning. He will show you the correct information, how to use the mostly used tools, and that will help you in your trading. Now, why is it very important to have a mentor? To save your time. Second thing, when you start learning, why it's very good to have a mentor? It's very good to have a mentor because that person have experience, it has credibility, it has trust and honesty, and specifically if you find that kind of mentor, you are very good at this good start position. Now, how to find this one? It's not very easy. It needs to be, you need to waste some time to find the correct one. You need to find someone who teaches others already, who knows how to trade, and specifically if that person is profitable, if you would like to learn a strategy from that person. Now remember, at the start, it's not necessary that the person is profitable. If you're just learning how to use the tool, this is the only thing that you need, the person who knows how to use the tool. You're not learning about strategy. Now you have here what is one kind of steps that you could take when finding the successful mentor who is profitable, who is honest, and who has experience. Then when you have filled, then here it is, I'm showing you not having trading mentor is wasting your time. And that is something that I have explained, that you would save a month or two of your time. If you do not have a mentor, yeah, you're wasting your time for sure. But some of the traders would like to receive money to teach you, but if you have, feel free to do that. If you do not have money, try to find someone who is not charging you. From my side, I would suggest that you take a look on my YouTube channel, where I have all the details, how to start trading with the simple steps, how to download trading platform. These are all the steps that you will need to learn how to use this one. Now, next step in your learning journey is to learn the Forex basics. Forex basic terms, which are very important. These are foundation knowledge. And remember, if you do not know them, you will not be successful in your trading, because you will learn what is a pip, the smallest price change, how the pip, when you open the trade, affects your profitability, how much each pip will be equal to. Will one pip, when the price changes on the smaller scale, which means on the last digit, in this case on the second digit here, you can see on the chart, when it changes, how much money will that be? This is very important. Then you have a lot size. For example, if you open a new order, here you need to define what is the volume, and that means a lot size. And the lot size is affecting the value of a pip. So for example, if I open Euro USD here and I open new order, just a minute, if I click sell by market with a volume which is equal to 1, which means a 1 standard lot, I will make $10 per 1 pip. And that means when the price changes from 768 to 769, it is on the 4th digit place, this will mean I will make $10 or I will lose $10 whenever the price goes against me. So this is the third thing that you need to understand. The first one is a pip, the second one is a lot, and the third one is the leverage. A leverage is something that you define when you open trading account. For example, let's open a login to trade account. Sorry, let's open the trade account. Next, new demo account. Next, oh sorry, it will not allow me to open this one here. Let's open new account. Let's try, is there meta quotes? Oh, here it is, a demo. open your demo account, and here it is. You pick the leverage which will define how much risk you can take per each trade. For example, 1 against 100 will allow you to open a large lot size. 1 to 1 will not allow you to open a large lot size, which means whenever you open a new order, this will not be available. It will be available as one standard lot, but you will not be able to open it because most of the time you will open one micro lot, which is 0.01. That means whenever the price changes by 1 pip, you will make $0.1. Now you understand how the leverage limits you a value of 1 pip. You cannot open large volumes. And then you have, let me show you, open new trade. I will sell by market, for example. You will learn what is the margin. Margin is visible here, where you can see how much you have a free margin. This means how much money you can lose, which means 9,685.59 before the broker tells you, sorry, you are losing too much money, you need to close that order. And when you close this order, you will be left with $10.77 out of 9,696.46. This is the margin. And there are some other specific forex basic terms that you will learn, but you need someone who will teach you, who will explain to you in detail with a simple explanation how to use that, what is very important. And for that it is a trading mentor, and that is why it's very important to have a trading mentor in the second stage, which means first one stage is a mentor who will show you trading tools, the second one forex basic terms, and the third one is the strategy. Strategy includes how to enter, how to make the analysis on the chart for the certain symbol, and what is the risk management in each trade. Now, these are very important things, and you need to find someone who understands the topic, what I have just said, what is very important in strategy. And for that, you need someone who knows. And this will speed up the process, because I have wasted years just to learn a lot of strategies, just to learn what is indicator, what is expert advisor, how to use that one, and after that how to draw support and resistance levels, how to draw trend lines. It was a lot of time wasting and learning from the experience, learning from mistakes. This is something that the mentor can help you. If you have someone, you'll speed up process for several months, if not years. It depends on you, how are you able to learn. But having a mentor will speed up the process, but speeding up the process, you will not learn from your mistakes. And learning from the mistakes is the best teacher. So it depends on you. Will you lose time learning from your experience, or you will use someone as a mentor to speed up the process and show you? I'm always for learning from the mentor, because he will show you what kind of issues, what kind of errors, mistakes you will make during your learning journey that will later on help you to speed up the process and not wasting time making those mistakes. Here I have put a comparison table between learning on your own and with trading mentor. Now, here are the topics, what I have just explained a while ago. Learning about the forex without the mentor, it will take 5 days. With the mentor, it will take half a day. And later on, you can see how much hours you would spend. Now, here it is, some kind of a conclusion. Total hours 744, with the mentor 112.8. Realistic days with sleep and rest 93 days, which means 3 months 40 days, which is probably on 112 is 0.5 months. Now you can see what is kind of a difference. Now you can see a realistic hours with sleep and rest, and that means if you take these 744 hours and you add sleeping and resting, it will take 2,232 hours. Now you can see what is difference compared to 338 hours with a mentor. It is almost 10% you need out of complete hours needed when you learn on your own. Now you can see it is 7 times faster learning with mentor, and someone who works from 9 to 5, if you had that one, that means you will speed up your process 7 times faster than learning on your own. Maybe you are get up in the morning early before work, or you are learning at night. Specifically, if you have a family, then you are pretty limited when you have a free time for learning. So as a conclusion, about having a trading mentor, I would make a conclusion that it's very important to have a trading mentor. If it is possible, have one to speed up the process. If not the whole process from start to the end, at least some part of your trading journey, have a mentor that will speed up and you will learn from him, just to avoid learning from your own mistakes and to speed up the process. And if that person is profitable, then you will learn also what are the certain steps with that strategy. If you do not want to use that strategy, at least you will have a foundation knowledge where you can start from that and learn onwards. This is all for this topic about having a mentor. I hope this was helpful. You have learned why it is very important to have a mentor, at which stage would be nice to have a trading mentor, and if not, you can also start learning on your own. This is the way how I have learned, but I have seen it is always the best to learn from the professional in that area to speed up the process and learn from his mistakes, not your own. If you like this video, click the like button, subscribe and share with others if you think it is very useful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below. I will try to answer as soon as possible. See you next time and happy trading.